Hello everyone, so today is a day, so let's go and do whatever, preferably the day. What? I found a cat. What is your name? You have no collar. Where did you come from, kitty? Hello. What are you trying to tell me, kitty? Did the day just go way further in?
It's Tuesday today.
No, it's not Tuesday, because Tuesday everything was mirrored. It's Thursday, if I'm correct.
It's Tuesday.
Prove it. Do something that's Tuesday.
Happy Tuesday.
My God, it is Tuesday.
Bridwell Lane!
Hell yeah. I do physics. And chemistry. And math. That's it. and videos. Well, not the subject. So, you know what I'm talking about.
So spinning is basically where you get on that round thing. You'll see what the round thing is, and I just go on it in weird positions, and you'll see. If I just push this button here, you'll see exactly what I'm talking about. So, it's this. Hi, internet. Yay! Faster! Ah! No! Oh God! Oh God! Faster! Like this. So that is what that is. So I'm probably doing a really stupid thing. I just tied the camera to the spinny thing. Have fun, and it should be awesome. Okay.
I'm gonna stand back.
Oh God. Probably looks quite cool for the camera. Faster! Oh good God. Oh my God, it's going faster. Now you shall reach maximum speeds. Oh my God. I've got to cool down, slow down. Everybody just lank, just lank, and throw an apple in a tree, just lank. Everybody lank, just lank, do a lank, everybody gonna lank now. They're lanking an entire group of girls. I think you've completely split them up now. Now it's just this one girl. No. Oh, now they're gay lanking. You just made lanking gay. They're lanking those three now. You gotta love lanking. They don't. This is mental. They're all huddling up now in like a three. Do we know who these plankers are? See, they are planking. We have started a craze. You're doing it wrong. You're doing it wrong. You're going to do it in front of someone. Do it back now. Do it back. Oh God. The gay version is back. Yeah, do this one. Hey, do that one. That'd be fun. Oh my God. Oh my God. Massive pile of lank. You just got lank back. He's just like, what the fuck am I supposed to do? That's what it looked like. They made a planking wall.
Best way to beat a lanker is to lank a lanker.
Or you just take them away. I mean, there's that option.
I'll be like 5 minutes, I'm going to see Shannon off.
No, you're not! Oh my God, there's aliens! Aliens! Oh my God, aliens! There is exactly no clouds in the sky. This is England and there's no clouds in the sky. and it's September. Is this California? Are we in California or something? It's September and there's no clouds. Tesco's challenge. Can he get something for only 20p? Find out now. Or when he finds something for 20p. Anything here? Nope. Come on. Something in here must be 20p. Power roll. Oh, 30p. Damn it. So close. 10p.
No, I don't want that. I don't want that.
Ah.
We can do better than that.
20p. It's exactly the price. We could have got something for 20p, but I found another 3 20s, so it's 40p to get wine gums, and I'm going to use my 40p to get these.
Bouncy ball.
But there was something for 20p, so we did kind of win. We just didn't want it. So technically we won.
Slap my elbow.
I don't think you're supposed to be there. Goodbye.